Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Word with a Microsoft 365 account because Dictate requires Office online services. Once signed in, enable your microphone in System Settings and pick the correct input device. This prevents the wrong mic from capturing noise. Then, in Word, click Home, then Dictate to start live voice-to-text. Speak at a steady pace and include punctuation words like comma or period. This creates readable sentences. This is the only integrated method in Word to record your voice as text. Once Dictate is active, control how text appears by saying punctuation and formatting commands. Say period for a sentence end, new paragraph to start a paragraph. Speak in complete phrases, but pause between sentences so the service can process audio without dropping words. If it mishears a name or term, correct it immediately by selecting the word and respeaking or typing the change. Make sure to check Dictate language and microphone selection in its menu. Adjusting those fixes many recognition problems. When you finish, stop Dictate by clicking the button, then read through the transcription and make manual edits for accuracy. Save the document to OneDrive to preserve live edits and access version history if you need an earlier draft. If recording or recognition stops working, check a single key troubleshooting step. Confirm microphone access in OS privacy settings and toggle it off then on. Restart Word or your browser after changing settings. That often resolves drivers and permission conflicts immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.